Updated 4-bedroom/3-bath ranch sits on large corner lot west a 2-car side entry garage located on one of Blossomwood's most treasured streets. This home is west in walking distance to elementary school, pool, hospital, downtown, shopping and restaurants. Classic floorplan has hardwoods to most of the home and under new carpet in bedrooms. Remodeled kitchen boasts white cabinets, granite counters, stainless steel appliances and bar seating. Hearth room west gas fireplace overlooks the fenced backyard. Spacious Master west walk-in closets, one is a safe room, and large bath. So many extras. Sprinkler sys, laundry room, security sys and adorable replica playhouse that has power. Home is sold as is and has no known issues.